Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can download and install VLC media player, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to download and install the latest version of VLC media player from the official website on your Windows 11 machine correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. And open up your favorite web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is a step-by-step detailed blog post explaining how to download and install VLC media player on Windows 11. Scroll up and find step 1. Here, look for Download VLC Media Player and click on this link. It will open official page for downloading the latest version of VLC Media Player. Now, click on this blue Download VLC button. It says Downloading VLC for Windows. And you can see VLC Media Player installer file has started downloading here. Once the downloads get finished, click on up arrow and select Show in Folder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file and it will start the setup wizard. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. Select your preferred language. I am selecting English here. Then click on OK button. It says Welcome to VLC Media Player Setup. Now click on Next button. Accept the end user license agreement. Then click on Next button. No need to change anything here, just make sure you have at least 171 MB of free disk space available and click on Next button. Leave it as default for the destination folder, then click on Install button. It will take some time to install. It says VLC Media Player has been installed on your computer. Check this box to launch VLC Media Player. And finally click on Finish button. For the first time, a pop-up will appear asking you to accept privacy and network access policy. Click on Continue button. As you can see, we have successfully installed the latest version of VLC Media Player on Windows 11. Now, you can play your favorite video files on latest Windows 11. If you followed the steps in this video and reached until here, I am assuming this method has been working for you. So, I am requesting you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will definitely boost my morale for making more such videos. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to download and install applications easily. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.